So, gaya nga ng sinabi ko, is i-share ko sa inyo kung ilang araw ba bago ma-credit sa bank account yung salary loan na in-apply ko. So, January 30 guys, nag-enroll ako sa disbursement, account enrollment, and then January 30 is na-approve ako. So, share ko lang guys, bago ako makareceive ng ganitong email from SSS is na-reject ako 3 times sa disbursement account enrollment. Tapos, on the following day guys, January 31 is nag-apply ako ng salary loan. And as you can see guys sa screening nyo is salary loan application for employer certification. So, once na nag-apply kayo guys, makaka-receive kayo ng panibagong email kasi sinicertify pa kung dun ba talaga kayo nagtatrabaho, kung eligible kayo makapag-loan. So, after ng January 31, February 2 na ako naka-receive ng email from SSS. We are pleased to inform you that your salary loan application has been certified by your employer. Please take note of your transaction details below. So, may kita nyo guys. So, Miyerkules kasi guys, yan, in-apply. Tapos, Friday na ako naka-receive ng email from SSS. So, lumipas ang isang araw bago maka-receive ng email. So, after February 2, naka-receive na naman ako ng panibagong email. February 3 na na-approve na yung salary loan ko between SSS and yung employer ko na pinapasukan ko ngayon. So, we are pleased to inform you that your salary loan application has been approved by your employer and SSS. Your loan proceeds will be credited to your valid nominated bank account within 3 to 5 business days. So, naka-receive ako ng February 7 ng panibagong email. Your salary loan application for 39,000 filed on January 31 was approved on February 2 with net proceed 34,432 pesos and 27 cents. So, bakit nga ba 34,000 lang ang nakuha ko? Kasi may natitira akong loan, may remaining loan ako, kaya ibinawas yon sa pinaka malo-loan nyo. Kaya 34,000 lang yung na-loan ko. And actually guys, bago pa ako maka-receive neto is nakuha ko na yung pera ng 5 p.m. ng hapon. 5 p.m. ng February 6. So technically guys, medyo delay yung email. Medyo delay talaga yung email guys. Kasi na-credit na siya ng February 6 bago pa sila nakapag-email. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung video. Yung ginamit ko nga pala is yung loyalty card ko. Ayan na siya. Pasok ko na siya. Processing. Yes.
Please key in your
Balance inquiry. Savings. Display on the screen. So, ayan na nga siya guys. Pumasok na ang ating SS loan. Yes. Withdraw. Savings. Other amount.
please key in amount.
Try natin kung kaya.
Your card and receipt are ready for removal. Please take your cash.
So, ito na siya guys. So, di ba nga February 6, na-credit na yung pera ng 5 p.m. Tapos February 7, naka-receive ako ng panibagong email from SSS na na-credit na nila. Pero technically talaga, na-receive ko siya ng February 6. Tapos after maka-receive ng February 7 ng email from SSS, maka-receive kayo ng panibagong email na your salary loan has been successfully credited to your prepaid disbursement account. The disbursement details are as follows. So, makikita niyo yung card ending 8786 with a total amount 34,432 pesos and 27 cents. Tapos Union Bank, loyalty card nga pala yung ginamit ko. And then, February 7, so nakita nyo naman dyan sa screen nyo guys na February 7 siya na credit. Pero just like what I mentioned guys, is February 6 siya pumasok.